Oh, hello. David Bradley here in the TV room. Oh, there's a little screwdriver that takes multiple head things. Oh. Oh. I'm not feeling good. Oh. Oh. See how much I can do here. Alright, let's grab something here. Look. It's a Commodore 64. What's it say? It says nothing. Oh, that's disturbing. This is disturbing. Everything should have notes on it. They should. Oh. Well, let's see here. Grab some power, grab a video cable. As it's a not original 64. It's an 8-pin video cable. It is. I'll turn this monitor on. Let it kind of warm up. Turn this on. Now it may be. Oh. It may be. That's the thing about these monitors. If you don't have the button in the right position, see, there's a button on the front here, basically to go from Amiga to 64. So if you have it, even if you have everything just so, it may not be just so. It might not. Let's just see. Keyboard seems okay. Machine seems okay. That's always a good thing. Oh. Oh, look. Other thing, we got a cotton swabs. And actually, you know what? I have another little bag. They don't match. They're not the same kind. It doesn't really matter. Because when doing keyboards, it really doesn't matter. Okay. All right. Toss that over there. So that seems to be working. I should reach into this magic drawer. So it still closes. And grab a data card. Indeed. It's an old computer data card. And put something on the bottom just so I know. Commodore 64C. Looks good. Seems to work. You know, oh, we're sitting here just a second. I'm going to turn it off. I'm going to put in the diagnostic cartridge. Turn it on. Watch it run. Pretty clean. Uh-oh. Something stopped there. Maybe it's not so good. Screen RAM thing stuck. Oh, still going. Okay. Keyboard, okay. These are really crisp, lovely monitors. RAM test 2, okay. Color RAM. This monitor is a model 1084S, which was primarily made for the Amiga, but they've wisely put inputs for most everything on them. Good. Okay, well that was good. Let's see here. It's a CA. Oh dear. One 4 2 8 0 0 6 7 with a C at the end. Certified to comply with Class B limits, Part 15 of FCC rules. Instructions if interference to radio reception is suspected. Okay. Yeah. Well, that's a refreshing surprise. There's a box over here. I don't know if I can get it. I think I can. Maybe it came out of there. There. That goes around the light. But I took that off because I have another better bulb there. Okay. Let's check out this box. Ta-da! There's a box. Oh, it's got some damage. I'm looking for... Oh. No, it's not for this one. Anyway, that too does not need to be in here. It does not. So, and I don't know. Oh, it's got the torch bits. I don't think I've ever even looked in this one. Oh well. So be it. Let's unplug it. Ow. I've got a data card. I think I left one thing of tape, which I did not. So I will go to the tape bag. And I will somewhat document what. Got some schmutz there. Get rid of that. Alright, so this one, with great care, I will lean here. These ones don't stand really well. I really don't want to hear this fall. I'll lean it there, and I'll get it out of here. One thing at a time, and you know what? Oh, this is not the box for this. Ta-da! But that too. Get out of here. I gotta get the floor cleared. Gotta get the table cleared. Ugh. Ugh. Here's a piece of styrofoam. For a disk drive, it too does not need to be here. It really doesn't. And I see over yonder another thing that is probably more. There we go. Another hunk of foam. Oh, what's this? Oh, yeah. Ugh. Here's all this more. Oh, well, I guess these things could go together. Because that's where they belong. Look, Commodore logo. Single floppy disk. Excellent. Now, is there a serial number? Factory reconditioned. I don't see a serial number, but anyway, I can get that out of there. That's a little more space. It is. And that is, for this moment, pretty fine progress. So, funny, I do like 10 minutes. Oh, and then I go rest. Oh, I don't feel good. Oh dear. Oh yeah, monitor off. All right. That's it for now. We'll see you again back here in the TV room. Have a lovely, lovely day as I continue to attempt to get tidied up. Bye for now.